In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to write in a circle here in Canva. Now, the easiest way to do this is by using shapes. So what we want to do is come up to here to where it says elements. Then let's actually go back one. We want to come down to shapes just here. We can also use the search bar and type in shapes. But as it's here, we're going to click on see all, and then we're going to choose this circle. Now, as you can see, right off the bat, we can actually write in this circle. Now, if that doesn't show up, what we want to do is just simply click onto the circle, like so. And if we double click again, then we're going to get the option to write in a circle. Then we can actually type in what we want. So for this example, I've just typed in write in circle. Now we still get the other features that we usually get apart from the effects. So if we look up here, we can see we can choose the different color. We can choose the font size, so we can increase this as well, like so. We can bold, we can italic, and we can underline as well, with the option to also change to the font that we want. We can also adjust the alignment, put it to the left, put it to the right, or put it in the center. Now, if you wanted the text in the circle to have some type of effect, let's say like this, let's just go ahead and copy this and make smaller. In fact, let's just copy that again and come over to here, and let's just paste that on here. So if you wanted some effects like this, which we get from the effect bar or the effect tab just here, if we wanted this in the circle, we would have to delete this, and then what we would have to do is just make this smaller and then put that into the circle. But that's just how easy it is to write in a circle here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.